Hey everyone, Drew Manning here from Fit2Fat2Fit. You might have heard of my crazy experiment I did back in 2011 where I intentionally gained 75 pounds in 6 months to know what it was like to be overweight for the first time. It was very humbling, one of the hardest things I've ever done, but I wrote a book about the whole experience called Fit2Fat2Fit, and I had 2 seasons of a hit TV show on A&E and Lifetime talking about this crazy experiment. But today, we're making 3 delicious keto treats in these awesome BlendJets. And BlendJets aren't just for smoothies and shakes, y'all. It's powerful motor. It works great to blend ingredients for desserts as well. And I'm gonna show you guys just how to do that. All right, so the first recipe we're making is a pumpkin fluff recipe. This is super easy to make and it's gonna taste delicious, you guys. So pumpkin fluff is a great treat you can have any time of the day. You can have it as dessert, you can have it as a snack. It's 100% keto friendly, which means it's low in carbohydrates. And we're using sugar alternatives like monk fruit, which is a natural sweetener. So you get the taste of sugar, but without the spike in blood sugar levels. So for the pumpkin fluff, you're gonna need 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, 4 ounces cream cheese softened, blend until smooth and fluffy, about 2 to 3 cycles. Be sure to use a small spatula to push down the sides between cycles so the ingredients are well blended. And then you're gonna divide the fluff between 2 serving dishes, top with the whipped cream, and enjoy. The next recipe is a chocolate mousse recipe, and who doesn't love chocolate, right? This is a great way to curb that chocolate craving, but without the sugar. So for the chocolate mousse, first you're gonna take 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar-free maple syrup, 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 medium avocado and dice it up, 3 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. Then you're gonna add 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. Now you're gonna blend all the ingredients in the BlendJet for 2 full cycles. Then you're gonna cover and chill in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Then you're gonna distribute the mousse into 2 serving dishes, topped with whipped cream, and enjoy. All right, this recipe, we're gonna make some peanut butter cup fat bombs. These are absolutely delicious, 100% keto friendly. And if you have that craving for some peanut butter cups, but you don't want the sugar, this is the recipe for you. So first up, you're gonna make the chocolate layer. So you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the BlendJet, and then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened. Then you add 4 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, melted. You're gonna blend that up for 1 cycle. Then you're gonna pour it into muffin tins, and you're gonna freeze it for about a half an hour. And next up, we're gonna make the peanut butter layer. Now for the peanut butter layer, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of butter, melted, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Then you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, 4 tablespoons of natural peanut butter melted. Now, you're gonna combine all the ingredients for the peanut butter layer in the BlendJet, and you blend on 1 cycle until smooth. Then remove the chocolate layer from the freezer. Then you're gonna top it with a peanut butter layer. Then you're gonna freeze it again for about 1 to 2 hours. Once solid, eat it up and enjoy. So thank you guys for tuning in today. Hopefully you enjoyed these delicious keto treat recipes. Let me know what you think of them in the comments below, and we'll see you guys next time.